Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it tonight. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your training skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we will be checking out, and of course everything I will be doing is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow with the trading and analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. And of course, if you should check it out right from here, it sold right from here till it got to this support zone, went back up again but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it went back down again. Okay, so this is going to be this had got into this particular support zone, and if it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back into a buy trend. But if it breaks out below it, then it will continue to sell. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out above the support, below the support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, just the way we have seen it. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, it was unable to break out below it, so it went back on buy trend. Even though it had a little pullback, but it will be going back to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, just the way we have seen it. This had been on uptrend for a very long time. You can see it kept on buying right from here, got to this resistance zone, pull back, went back up again to break out above the resistance zone. Right here it has got into this major resistance zone. If it's trying to see if it will break out above it, if it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on sell trend fully. Okay, so this might be selling more tonight. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, played around there for a while, but broke out from that resistance zone around there, still played around there for a while, pull back, and of course went back up to break out from there. And right now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. That is when it will start selling, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Okay, with this volatility 75, let me show you the power of this indicator. Okay, I actually made use of this volatility 75 to trade, this indicator to trade volatility 75, and I'm going to show you where it started from. You can see it right from here. This is the buy arrow. You can see it right from here, the buy arrow, even though it didn't go into buy immediately, but it kept on moving up and up. I used this trading tool to do my analysis, and of course I was able to make a lot of profit. You can see it kept on going up and up and up and up and up until it got to this region where I actually closed it. This made a lot of profit for me, close to $1000 profit just from there alone. Okay, so that's amazing guys. So now let's get back to what we are right there. So after getting to this resistance zone, it started selling right from here. Okay, you can see it sold just a single sell order, sold down all the way down to it got to this region. Right now it is on buy order. Okay, so it has given us a single buy order, and it's going to be buying more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So quickly out, these are some of the information or analysis we are able to dish out tonight. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of it and apply it carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.